Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on this Nissan Rogue and we're going to be doing a front bumper teardown because this car has been hit from the front and the hood and the bumper is damaged. To get this bumper off the car, we're going to have to unclip the top of this bumper and then lift this car up. So let's get started. Once we have unclipped the top of the bumper, we will now use a Phillips head and take the Phillips screws out of the wheel well molding to uninstall it to take the 10mm bolt out of the bumper. For this Rogue style, you gotta pop out the grill off the car to take out two clips at the bottom of the grill. So let's do that and take those clips out. Now finally the grill is out and the clips are out, we can take this bumper off and unplug the fog lamps so the bumper can come off. As you can see, after the accident the light got damaged, so we're gonna pull this light out and see if there's any further more damage underneath the light. If you enjoy watching our videos, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.